Hey dog lovers, I'm Jenny and I live on Tybee, and these are my top 5 favorite things to do on Tybee Island with my dog. And number 5, take a full loop around JC Park's walking trail to get some fresh air. Number 4, take a walk with your dog on the Sally Pierce Nature Trail, and don't forget to bring the bug spray. My number 3 is Alley 3. Catch a kayak tour to Little Tybee or a sunset. Number 2, check out the grounds of the Tybee Island Lighthouse or the Farmers Market on Mondays. And here's a bonus tip. Tybee Island has pet-friendly condos, so you and your pup can stay close to the action without giving up the comfort. And number 1, after a long hot day on Tybee, grab an ice cream or a drink with your pup on one of our pet-friendly patios. So those are my top 5 favorite things to do on Tybee with my dog. And here's a quick question for you. Tybee used to be pet-friendly on the beaches. Do you think it should be?